horn once. Oh, okay. That's technically twice. All right.
Sorry. I
You're
did
good,
it
man.
here. I did it
I
here.
know, this way. Go ahead and sign right. Alright, thank you. My name is Mr. Oliveria. I'll be taking you on your driving test today.
Thank you.
Please observe and obey all traffic laws and signs. There are no tricks on this test, and I would never intentionally ask you to do anything unsafe. I'll give you directions as we go along, so please drive straight unless I ask you to make turns.
Alright.
Do you have any questions at this time?
No.
Alright, when you're ready, I want you to back the car out and face it into the right direction. We're going to take you on your driving test. I'm sorry, face to the left direction, because we're not going to run away. We're going to go
Face
that
for
way.
the right?
Yeah, so you're going to back out to the right direction, facing to the left.
It's okay.
It's just too hot.
Yeah. Good for you. You can move this.
Oh, thank you.
Good for you. Don't worry.
Continue forward in that direction. You see where that red car just turned?
Yeah, right?
That's where I want you to go.
Alright. Oh, sorry.
It's cool. You just missed the spot.
You wanna go back now? Okay.
No, you won't be able to. So I'm gonna have you go right down
I
here.
thought it was here, the main. Sorry about that.
It's cool, man.
Will I go straight or turn left?
I'm gonna have you turn left into this position right over here.
Right there, right?
Yes. Continue forward.
Alright.
And at the end of this road, make a right.
Alright.
Continue forward. At the very end of the road, I want you to make a left. Stop right here. First maneuver we're going to do is the backing maneuver. I'm going to have you drive straight backward using the correct posture until I ask you to stop. There's no need to hurry for the maneuver. You may take your time.
I need to go back.
We're driving backwards with the correct posture.
Okay.
Do you have any questions before we start? All right. Stop right here. Just so you know, when you're actually doing the backing maneuver, you want to keep your eyes on that back window the entire time.
Alright, right?
Because the second you start looking away from there, that's when something might come out.
Alright.
Okay? I'm going to have you now park between those standard cones on your left-hand side as if you're parked between two cars.
Right there, right?
Yes, please. That was almost perfect.
Sorry.
You forgot your turn signal.
Oh, it's time nervous, man. Sorry.
That's cool,
I
man.
have 15 years of driving. There's a little mistake.
The next maneuver is more of a simulation. It's parking on a hill. Tell me or show me what you would do if you were to leave this particular vehicle parked up on a hill with a curb and sidewalk on your right-hand side.
Okay. I would put parking first.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know the name of this. I forgot the
Emergency brake.
emergency brake.
Mm-hmm.
No, sorry.
No, you
Yeah. I would put with the curb, right?
We're curb and sidewalk on your right-hand side. We are up a hill.
Up a hill with curb. So I would put left.
Correct. Is there anything else you need to do before leaving your vehicle?
This, turn left, turn off the car.
Good job. All right. I'm going to have you now back the car out and face it into the right direction. We're going to go over there and do another maneuver. So you're going to back out and face to the right.
All right.
forward. I'll let you know when to stop. Stop right here. Move up just a little more. Perfect. This next maneuver is the 3-point turn. Please turn around on the street and go back in the opposite direction without doing the U-turn. Do not use the parking lots or the lawns for the maneuver. I want you to keep the car entirely on the street.
All right.
So basically, don't go over the white lines and don't go in the grass.
Perfect.
Okay? You got this.
Okay.
Perfect. Make a right, so we're not in the way of them. And then make a left. And then at that sign right there, make a right.
Stop sign, right?
Correct. Okay, continue forward. You see that large tree on your left-hand side? Right after that large tree is the main entrance to this plaza. I want you to make a left into the main entrance.
I didn't know it's tree.
This is the large tree. You make a left.
Okay,
here.
okay. Got it, I got it.
And at this first corner coming up, make a right.
Okay.
And if you could park in that parking spot right there, that'd be great. That's the only parking spot you got.
What? If I park here?
Yeah, like right over here. See that spot right there?
Okay.
It's perfect. Because all of them are filled up.
No problem.
It's better taking it now than never.
Yeah, it's complicated, right?
Oh yes, the parking in here is atrocious. Alright, and you're good to go. Let's step outside the vehicle so I can give you your test results.
All right.